How to make a $100 per day passively. Your email inbox might be filled with a lot of emails from different companies that offer you products that can help you earn thousands of dollars in a short time. You are not sure if you can believe these emails and you want to know the truth about the online income tools and methods. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. It is a simple method that helps companies find their customers through affiliates. As an affiliate, you are responsible for the promotion of different products. Every time you lead a customer to a merchant's website, you will receive commissions. Different products have different commissions. Some of the companies are willing to pay up to 70% of the product's price to the affiliates. You can use email list building, article marketing or your own website to promote different products and earn money online. Article source: http://ezinarticles.com/6966646. Here are some more resources on how to earn money fast starting today. The link are in description below. Change your finances now.